Good morning, my dear students. Today again I am here to teach you very interesting subject GK, and that topic also very interesting, classical dances of India. Before going to start my topic, I would like to remind you, please, if you have not subscribed our channel, subscribe it, like our videos, share our videos as much as possible, and please don't forget to press the bell icon for getting all the notifications. Now I want to proceed my topic, classical dances of India. Students, first I want to tell you what is dance. Dance in India comprises the various styles of dances, and these dance forms emerged from Indian culture, traditions, epics, and historical mythology. Different dance forms in India originated in different parts of India. The dance is traditionally presented in a dramatic manner that is called Nritya. And the classical dance forms of India recognized by the Sangeet Natak Academy and the Ministry of Culture. Ministry of Culture and Sangeet Natak Academy recognized 8 types of classical dances in India. But first I want to brief you classical dance. Classical dance is a conventional dance revealing the emotions through poetry and dance drama. This form is portrayed by pose, dignity, and precision of movement, and by elaborate formal gestures, steps, and poses. Very important fact about the word mudra. What is mudra in dance? What this word means? So I want to clear you here. The gestures and facial expressions of dances are called mudras. Student, many times I think you have listened this word mudra, mudrai. So this word actually means the gestures and facial expressions of the dances are called mudras. Now I am going to tell you the names of 8 types of classical dances in India. First, Bharatnatyam, Kathak, Kathakali, Odissi, Kuchipudi, Manipuri, Mohiniyattam, Satriya. Again I want to tell you Bharatnatyam, Kathak, Kathakali, Odissi, Kuchipudi, Manipuri, Mohiniyattam and Satriya. See in this picture, students, all types of classical dances images are given. From there you can recognize these are the pictures of 8 types of classical Indian dance. First is Bharatnatyam. Second is of Kathak. Third, Kathakali. Fourth, Kuchipudi. Fifth, Manipuri. Sixth, Mohiniyattam, Odissi and Satriya. Now let's start our topic with Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam, this word is a combination of Bha, Ra, Ta, Natyam. Bha means bhava, expressions, feelings. Ra, raga, music, melody. Ta means rhythm. And Natyam, you know very well, Nit, dance. Means the dance which is a total combination of expressions, music, melody and rhythm. That is Bharatnatyam. This traditional dance known for its grace, purity, tenderness and sculpture skill. This dance form is inspired from the sculptures of the ancient temple of Chidambaram, which is located in Tamil Nadu. Next, Kathak. Kathak, this dance form traces its origin to the nomadic bards of ancient northern India, but present time UP, Uttar Pradesh. This dance form in ancient northern India known as Kathakars or storytellers. Katha, this word derived from Sanskrit, which means Katha, story, and Kathak, this means to tell a story by a drama, means Kathak, to tell a story with drama, poses, and with music. Kathakali. This is a stylized classical Indian dance drama noted for the attractive makeup. You can see, students, on the faces of these dancers, very attractive makeup of characters, elaborate costumes, and detailed gestures and well defined body movements. See in this picture, students, facial expression of the dancer and how highly this dancer have a makeup on the face. Next, Odissi. Odissi is also known as Orisi and it originates from the state of Odisha in eastern India. It is the oldest surviving dance form. Students, it is the oldest surviving dance form of India on the basis of archaeological evidences. Means nobody has saying just as usual. This is the thing which I am saying on the basis of archaeological evidences, that it is the oldest surviving dance form of India. Next, Kuchipudi. This dance form is one of the popular dance all over South India. The dance means Kuchipudi dance accompanied by a song which is typically a carnatic music, and the singer who sings this a song in this is accompanied by mridangan, violin, flute, and the tambura. Next, Manipuri. It originates from Manipur, a state in northeastern India. From its name also you can understand easily that the origin state of this dance, Manipur. This dance is purely religious dance and its aim only to show a spiritual experience on the stage. Next, Mohiniyattam. In this dance form, students, whenever you watch this dance video, wherever, especially please concentrate on the eye contact of the dancers, because this dance form having its name with a reason, with a means. This classical dance form from Kerala, India, South India means, and the word Mohiniyattam literally means the dance of the enchantress. Enchantress means what? Students, if Hindi you want to know, enchantress, Jadugarni means a woman who knows to put magic on anyone. Okay, enchantress, don't forget this word, ENCHANTRESS, and especially this dance form only performed by a woman. Next and the last, Satriya. This dance form is performed by both male and female, and it is one among the 8 Indian classical dance. In 2000, the Satriya dance of Assam received recognition by Sangeet Natak Academy and the Ministry of Culture as one of the 8 classical dance of India. This dance form has remained a living tradition in Assam's which monasteries? Vaishnava monasteries, known as present time Satras, for over 500 years ago and now also. So students, I want to again remind you means the 8 types of classical Indian dance: Bharatnatyam, Kathak, Kathakali, Odissi, Kuchipudi, Manipuri, Mohiniyattam and Satriya. Thank you students for watching this, and now we will do one activity related to this topic, matching. See students, in column A the dance forms are written, and in column B their origin state. Okay, their origin state is written. So let's start to match it. I think if you have listened my video properly, definitely you can do this. Bharatnatyam, origin state of Bharatnatyam. Student, I think whenever you will write I think you can easily understand the origin means. I told you na, Bharatnatyam sculptures of temple in Chidambaram, from it is means where it is located, Tamil Nadu. Bharatnatyam. So Bharatnatyam's origin state is Tamil Nadu. Kathak, Northern India, present time, UP. Kathakali, Kerala. Kathakali, Kerala. Mohiniyattam, also in Kerala. Manipuri, it's I think most easiest. Manipur. Odissi, Odisha. Kuchipudi, its origin state, Andhra Pradesh. And Satriya, just now I told you, Assam. So Bharatnatyam's origin state, Tamil Nadu. Kathak, UP. Kathakali, Kerala. Mohiniyattam, Kerala. Manipuri, Manipur. Odissi, Odisha. Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh. Satriya, Assam. Students, please don't forget to write down this matching. Actually, it is very much helpful to you. And please don't forget to watch our videos regular basis, and watch this video again and again until you will understand this topic. Thank you.